What is the one challenge that all businesses aspire to overcome every single day? To have the right people at the right place at the right time with the right tools. A connected workforce that comes together to deliver the best outcomes. Frontline workers are the backbone of every industry across the world. They're the first to engage and represent your brands to customers and bring your products and services to life. But did you know that more than 75% of frontline workers do not have the right tools they need to do their job? That's over 75% of your valuable customer-facing hours. Well, if empowering your frontline is on your agenda too, then look no further. Meet Proceso, an intuitive, mobile-first, born-in-the-cloud platform that connects your desk-based managers and frontline workers for task automation and real-time visibility for monitoring. A secure, unified digital channel where work gets done within the safe confines of Microsoft Teams and not on paper. Transforming frontline operations.
Struggling with manual processes and outdated digital tools? Digitize manual processes with a no-code platform to improve efficiency by automating tasks and rolling out service processes with digital workflows in a matter of minutes. High costs of non-compliance and unsecured applications?
Simplify compliance management by mitigating risks and reducing costs of compliance by ensuring that the right person is at the right place, using a secure device to perform the task and exchanging information.
Insufficient knowledge to do the job and low retention?
Roll out assessments, SOPs, and product training, assess employees quickly and enable them to build skills from virtually anywhere.
Disconnected workforce and information silos?
Connect your workforce, increase employee engagement by aligning business goals with the right people and information to perform at their best. Leverage Proceso to automate, collaborate, monitor, improve, optimize, and more. Proceso harnesses that power of Microsoft 365 and brings it right into the hands of your workforce who needs it. But a new software can be daunting for frontline workers. Not at all! The platform leverages the power of Microsoft Cloud, and the entire user experience is delivered through intuitive user interfaces and adaptive cards in an all-familiar Microsoft Teams. Deeply integrated with Microsoft 365 Core Security, a unified solution that your workers will love to have. Enhance your customer experience by digitally connecting and transforming your workforce. Digitize manual processes, accelerate learning for your frontline workers to empower them while securing your business with Microsoft Cloud. Welcome to the future of work. Welcome to Proceso.